Is your kid suddenly offline mid-game or your smart speaker refusing to play music? Let's get your devices back online on Xfinity FAST. The easiest way to unpause a device on your Xfinity network is through the Xfinity XFI app first. Make sure you're logged into your account once inside. You'll see a list of all connected devices on your network. Look for the specific device that's currently paused. It will usually be clearly indicated, perhaps with a pause icon or a status that says paused. Tap on that paused device. This will bring up more details about that specific device and its current connection status. You should see an option to unpause device or a similar button. Simply tap that button. And that's it. The device should now be unpaused and immediately regain its internet access. Alternatively, if you prefer using a web browser, you can head over to the Xfinity website and log into your account. Navigate to the section that manages your network devices similar to the app. You'll find a list of your connected devices and their current states. Locate the device you wish to unpause. Click on the device, and a menu of options will appear. Select the option to unpause device. Just like with the app, this action will instantly restore internet connectivity to the unpaused device, ensuring all your devices can continue to connect and operate smoothly.